This is a real scenario where a family went through probate unnecessarily, and it cost them time, money, and control. Susan is a widow, and after Susan's husband passed away, she felt compelled to put a will in place. She went to a law firm, got a will, powers of attorney, and thought everything was good to go. She has a house worth about $600,000 in her own name. She's got bank and investment accounts, again, in her own name, no joint tenant, no rights of survivorship, and unfortunately for her family, not designated either. When she passed away, the family thought all they had to do was just file the will and they'd be able to sell the house right away. But unfortunately, in North Carolina, it's not the case. The will does act like a deed. It does transfer legal ownership of real estate to the beneficiaries under the will, but they don't get marketable title right away. They have no ability to sell until they take one of two next steps. They can either wait for 2 years for the statute of limitations on creditor claims against an estate-driven real estate sale to expire, or we have to open probate to qualify an executor and run the notice to creditors to shorten that timeline. Without one of those two things happening, the house can't be sold, even though that's probably the best use of that asset. In the meantime, the family has to pay the utilities and the taxes, the maintenance, the insurance, and everything that comes along with homeownership, but they've got no ability to sell right away. None of them live locally. None of them want to live in the house, so it's not a great outcome for them. And it's not what they expected. This is a disconnect from reality of what they thought mom had in place versus what the law is actually going to require. And so this is going to take a while. It's going to cost some money out of pockets for the kids that they didn't expect to have to spend. To make matters worse, the financial accounts were not designated either. And they can't be used as part of the estate to pay for mom's property. The kids are going to have to come out of pocket until the probate estate is resolved, where mom's money has passed and mom's house can be sold. This is exactly how probate problems show up in real life. Not obvious, but very real. If you want to make sure that your plan doesn't have these same gaps, you can click below to schedule your consultation now. Protecting your family requires more than just standard documents. Schedule your consultation with our team today.